In this short video, I'll show you movie poster design in Photoshop. Step 1. Set up the canvas and place the image. Create a new document at 16 by 22 centimeters, 300 ppi. Import your photo and scale it from the center by holding Alt/Option+Shift as you resize. Step 2. Establish a cinematic mood with color. Add a gradient map adjustment layer to push tones toward cool blues and warm neutrals. Lower the layer's opacity to keep the image readable. Then add a color lookup adjustment layer and pick a cinematic preset. Reduce its opacity to blend naturally with the photo. Step 3. Accent with color and set the title area. Create a solid color fill layer using a rich red or burgundy. Change the blend mode to soft light or overlay and tweak opacity so the accent feels integrated. Now prepare your headline. Pick a bold sans serif, set its color to white, and center it on the poster. Step 4. Build the layout with typographic hierarchy. Duplicate the headline to form a secondary line or subtitle. Center both lines vertically and adjust tracking for a clean cinematic look. Group the title layers so you can move them together as a unit. Step 5. Add credits and polish. If you're using credits, import licensed assets or typography templates and place them near the bottom. Then merge visible layers, Shift+Control/CMD+Alt+E. Convert the result to a smart object, and apply a final camera raw filter to boost contrast, clarity, and color balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.